What's up, everybody? Welcome to Simon Says Ride. So as you would have guessed, after the last video, yes, I'm not quitting, at least for now. I'm not going to sell my channel, and I made this video asking you guys, should I sell my channel? So there was like a unanimous response. People said no, you should continue what you're doing. Many of you said that you like my videos, so which is really a very big achievement for me, because I really don't do anything good in life other than making videos, I guess. So I'm really glad and really grateful for you, for this response, guys. And so I'm trying to make more videos, push out more videos consistently for you guys to enjoy, and keep on giving those suggestions. They are really very helpful, and thank you so much. So back at it, going to work on my motorbike, bike. Wow. Kind of excited today because weather is a bit better as compared to how it was the last time I was out on the bike. It seems to be a little better for some reason. Well, at least it felt like that when I was at home, but it looks like it is still hot. Really can't wait enough for the rainy seasons to come, even though the riding time will go down, but still it will be more habitable, I guess. Man, it's so hot right now. Anyway, guys, coming back to today's topic. Today's topic is one very close to my heart. A topic which I kind of speak like every single day with my friends, about motovlogging. So seriously, I feel motovlogging is dead in India, and I'm not saying it's like fault, like if anybody is at fault, but people are misusing the term motovlogging. I don't see anybody motovlogging like in today's scene. Everybody is making videos which is like something not related to motovlogs at all. Like they just shoot one daily observation video in a month, and then rest of the time they make some stuff like what I bought from my YouTube money and stuff, and they say that I'm a motovlogger. I mean, seriously, you're not. Definitely not. I'm not saying you're a bad YouTuber. Like, YouTube means you have to make videos for the viewers, and you're doing that. You're doing a good job at that, but please don't call yourself motovloggers, because that really makes no sense. And it's, like, it goes out to everyone, man. Like, you know, that motovlogging was something like it kind of boomed like 3 years ago. There were very few people doing it, and everybody liked that concept of, you know, riding on the motorcycle. Like, people like to, like, they kind of like watching videos where somebody is on the motorcycle going on a trip, and it was a very nice idea. And see, there is no defined concept like a terminology for motovlogging. I'm not really sure like if there is any. But as far as motovlogging is concerned, like, and what goes around in the world, I could say that motovlog is something related to when you're on the bike, you're shooting something. Like, that is a motovlog, not when you're sitting at home making videos of yourself. I mean, everybody wants to become Mumbai Ka Nikhil and MSK. Like, it's not possible, man. You gotta do some hard work. You just cannot sit in front of the camera and become famous now. Can you? And people are trying to follow that trend. Like, there are people who don't even like have a mic set up, and they say that I'm a motovlogger. Like, that is horrible. Seriously horrible. And I'm not saying that you need a mic. Like, you can at least go out for a ride, at least make videos on your motorbike to qualify yourself as a motovlogger. But no, they will just make one video in a month, and then afterwards they will sit at home, they will sell you products. They're basically salesmen. You know, after 11 o'clock in TV channels, there are like English dubbed sales advertisements. That is so hilarious. So everybody's like that, and they want to just sell everything. They want to sell their videos, and at the end of the day, just want more views and more likes, and then say that I'm a motovlogger. I'm seriously so furious looking at these guys. I mean, I check their channels and I'm so disappointed every time. Like, they just keep on making videos just to sell their channel, nothing else. They have no I mean, they really have no idea about what they're doing. Come on, you can make it, yo. So coming back to our rant, what do you guys think? Am I wrong? No, I think it's a trend, like, right? When Augie and Mumbaikar Nikhil, they were getting famous. Well, there were very few people in YouTube who were kind of touring, and they were in the motovlogging scene and all. And mind you, like, Mumbaikar Nikhil never said that he's a motovlogger because he had a good vision in his mind, so he knew what he's going to do. So. But even at that point, everybody was trying to copy them. Like, everybody wanted to, even I did. So everybody wanted to go for rides and call them some motovloggers, and that's where it started. But suddenly, when Mumbaikar Nikhil shifted to lifestyle vlogging, everybody started to do that. I mean, wow. Like, I basically started this channel because I fell in love with the concept of motovlogging. I really wanted to share my experience on my motorbike, and that is exactly what I'm doing till now. I hardly make videos where I'm in front of the camera trying to sell something, unless and until it is something related to the bike. It's difficult for me to come in front of the camera. I'm really shy in that way. I don't prefer doing that, so I'll obviously tend to be on the back of my bike and behind the camera and try to make videos for you guys, and that exactly I feel is motovlogging. But these people, they just want to go with the trend. If selling something is getting more popular in YouTube, I will do that, and I will try to get popular, but I will still call myself motovlogger just for the heck of it. So my request to all those dummies out there is that if you are not making motovlogs and you're just selling products like a sales show, stop calling yourself motovloggers, and, you know, just do this world some favor and let people like me who just want to do motovlog have a meaningful channel. Because people really don't understand. Now, there are people who tell me to make videos which are more interactive, which is like more like a daily vlog. I can't do that, man. This channel is not for that. So please spare us. Do whatever you want to do on YouTube. I'm not gonna stop you. I'm not gonna say anything. Nobody's gonna tell you anything. Just stop calling yourself motovloggers. And yeah, other than that, motovlogging is dead. Motovlogging is dead in India. Nobody is doing motovlogs. Everybody wants to do bike reviews. Everybody is a bike expert. They will ride the bike for 20 minutes and say, wow, ye bike to aisa hai, waisa hai, le lo, wo le lo. They will start comparing it with different bikes. And these motovloggers, you know, mind you, they will not leave a chance to go to any bike showroom, beg for a bike for a test ride and make videos about it. And they will not make one video, they will make one exhaust note video, one 0 to 60 video, then they will compare it to the best comparable bike, then they will do a test ride, then they will give you their feedback of this bike. They will make at least 4 videos about that bike in 20 minutes. Wow, 20 minutes. And they call themselves an expert reviewer. And my god, I'm so furious right now. I'm spitting all over the place. So do yourself a favor, do me a favor, stop calling yourself motovloggers, and you know, let people enjoy what they want, let them choose what they want. don't impose on them. Don't call yourself something. I mean, you have your intros where you wear your helmet and sit on the bike, and then you start selling chaddi and banyan. I mean, stop it, guys. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm really in a hurry. I really need to get to work. See you guys in the next video. Hope to make more interesting videos for you guys. Probably go out for some rides and trips, and I will not sell chaddi and banyan. This is your host Simon signing off. Until the next ride, be safe, ride safe. Bye bye. Man, I really need to get some gloves, good gloves. I wanted to go to the Royal Enfield showroom today, but I need to get to office in time today because